I'm going to wear my unit on top another unit. Yes, I'm going to do that. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chanelly767. What's popping? Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. Today's video is another hair review featuring grace and glamour for the trending headband wig. If you know me, you know that I don't have any edges. Sad but true. But this is because of my eczema, and because of that I've been using wig for so many years and I stay away from half wig. This trending wig that's going around called the headband wig, and even if you have bad edges or not, there are different ways you can use this headband wig, and I'm loving everything about it. And even you can wear this headband wig on top your install that you just do. Now this is very interesting, and that's the video we're going to try today. So this unit is from Grace and Glamour silk straight wig. It does not come with a comb, and it also does not come with an adjustable strap. Also, there is no installation, no glue, and no lace. So ladies, put down your tools. See, like stocking cap, so you just put it on and in seconds or minutes you out the door. And ladies, I'm with you. I love a unit where I can just place on my head and I'm out the door, because you know ladies, we always running late for everywhere we go. A look of how I unbox and also style this unit, then I'll be right back to show you the different headband that I use with this unit. how I style this unit. I just let you know the headband that I use, I did not go any beauty supply store and I did not go and order it on Amazon. Ladies, come closer. This headband is lying around my house. and come closer. Some of them is not even headband. Some of them is cloth that you have lying around your house. I got you, ladies. So take a look with the different headbands that I used with this wig, and I used 10 headbands, and then I'll be right back. watching. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for What's Poppin' with Chanelly 767. Peace, love always. Bye, my beautiful people.